How to change your password in Totaljobs easily. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you how to change your password in Totaljobs easily. So if ever you want to change your password for some other reason, like your account has been hacked and you don't want your Totaljobs right here also be messed with and get yourself jobless. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, right here all we need to do is open up our Totaljobs right here. Once you open up our Totaljobs right here, click on your profile on the bottom right corner right there. After pressing your profile on the bottom right corner right here, you will see a settings icon in the top right corner right there. As you can see right there, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. There you go. After pressing the settings icon top right corner, you will see just below the logout, change password. So now, what do we do? Of course, we click on it. All we need to do is click on change password. After pressing on change password right there, as you can see, now we just need to enter our old password right here. So old password is right here, hashtag ABC12345, and now we're gonna enter in a new password to make it much more harder to hack. We're gonna put ABC12345, and they never see this coming. Number 6. There we go. Now we're gonna enter confirm our password again. So we're gonna put in hashtag ABC, then 12345, and the plot twist, there's a 6 in the end. Then click on that, then save new password. And after doing that, as you can see, your password has been successfully changed. So there you guys, that's how you change your password here on Totaljobs. So there you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you here on Guide Glimpse. And then there you guys, see you on the next one, and thank you guys.